Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you a quick way to place bracket, limit, market and stop orders on Interactive Brokers TWS right from within your Excel. So if you're an intraday trader or a scalper who is looking to quickly enter or exit positions on TWS, then this video might be relevant for you. So if you're a TWS user, you might have faced this issue that it takes too much time to enter orders on TWS. You need to click at so many places and you need to select so many options. Let me show you an example. So let's say we want to enter long position in the Amazon stock once the price of Amazon reaches 184. Right now it's trading around 183.3 and we want to use a profit target of 6 points and stop loss of 2 points. So to place this bracket order, we need to first click on this buy option, select the quantity. Let's use 1 share. Then we need to select the type of order. We will use stop limit order because we want our order to get triggered at 184. So we use stop price of 184 and limit price of 184 as well. Then we need to click on this advanced tab and select this bracket order option. And since our profit target is 6 points, this limit price would be 190. And since our stop loss is 2 points, this stop price would be 182. And then we click on submit. So as you can see, we need to click at so many places. We need to select so many options. And if it's a fast moving market, we could be late in our entry, which could impact our P&L. Now let me show you how we can quickly place orders on TWS right from within an Excel. So let me open this Excel that I have created. So as you can see, there are 3 tables in this Excel. The first table is the contract details table. In this table, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place order. The second table is the market data table. Excel fetches the live streaming data for whatever contract is specified in the contract details table. So this table would fetch the bid price, ask price, last price, day high, day low, and the previous close. And then the last table is the order details table. In this table, we specify details of the orders we want to place, whether it's a bracket order or it's a simple order like a limit order or a market order or stop limit or a stop market order. So let me give you some examples and this will become much more clear. So let me first give you an example of how we can place a bracket order on TWS using this Excel. So the first thing we need to do is specify the contract. So let's use Google this time. So we type in the ticker symbol, which is GOOGL. And as soon as we do that, this Excel fetches the market data, that is bid price, ask price, last price, day high, day low, and the previous close. Now, moving on to the order details table, what I've done is I have pre-configured this bracket order table to have a stop loss of 0.25% and take profit of 1% from the entry price. And I have used Excel formulas to do that. Plus, one more thing I have done is I have linked this entry price cell with the day high. So whatever is the day's high, that would be our entry price. And this is just an example I'm showing. We can, for example, instead of using the day high, we could use last price. So we will type in F5 over here, and the stop loss and profit target would automatically link to that entry price. So let's place this order on TWS. So let me open this Excel alongside TWS. And now let's click on place order. So as soon as we do that, 3 orders are sent. The first order is the entry order, second order is the profit taker, and third order is the stop loss. Let's look at another example. This time let's place a sell order and let's click on place. So this time It's a sell bracket order. Let's change the ticker to Apple and again place the order. So this time we have a sell bracket order on Apple. So see how quick and easy it is to place bracket orders using this Excel. Now let me show you how we can use this same Excel to place other simpler kind of orders like market order, stop limit order, stop market order, or entry order with just a stop loss and no profit target. So let's first start with the market order. So in case we want to place a market buy order, we just put buy as the direction and specify the quantity and click on place order, and this would be a buy market order. If we want to place a limit order, then we specify the limit price. Let's use the last price as the limit price for the buy order. So we place the order and this would be a buy limit order. If we want to place a stop limit order, we also specify the stop price. So let's use the last price once again and place the order. So this time we have a stop limit order. And in case we want to place an entry order with the attached stop loss, we specify the stop loss as well. So let's use a stop loss of 1 point. So, and then we click on place order. So this would be now a buy entry order with the attached stop loss. So I hope you like this tool. Please do let me know if you have any suggestions for improvement or if you have any new ideas.